Hello everyone. First of all, introduce myself. My name is Rahul Patil, and today's video topic name is the difference between list and set. And today's date is 22 September 2022. What is the first give you discuss about the short in list and set. The in JDK 2.0 is used vectors, arrays, and hash table to grow the subject into a single unit in JDK, and the collection framework come into existence that provides several interfaces to work with collection of data, and it lists we have working to another interfaces are one of them are used to group object at them, and both interfaces extend to collection into two interface, and the order can contains to the same element. We will discuss those two short in all. And list interface in Java.util package provide a list interface for maintaining order collection. A list can contain to null, and the duplicate value will be present here. You use to interface maintaining order collection. Also you list to contain the null and duplicate, and the method of the list are based on index. So all the operations like insertion, delete, update, and search based on index. Array list, linked list, stack, and vector are the implementation of the classes available in list interface. In Java, we mostly use to interface in list, and discuss the set interface. The set interface belongs to the Java util package that extend the collection interface. It restricts us from earning the distinct value in it. It stores the value in sorted way. So it does not maintain the insertion order, and the set interface is used the design mechanism to set Java mathematically to set in Java, and we will discuss the example how to forget the example, and we discuss about the list vs set interface. The set interface in Java, both the list and the set are available in the collection framework in order to store the collection objects in a single unit. We will discuss about the difference between list and set. The list implementation allows to add same or duplicate elements, and the set implementation does not allow use to the duplicate elements, and the insertion order maintained by the list, and in the set it does not maintain insertion order in the list. That's from all my side. Thank you.